Hello guys, good morning to each and everyone. I want to check my weekly recap. This is it. And then next where I go. Mm, this is my viewers. And 1 week 24,000.9k. Then next top. Oi, this is my top. Thumbnails help viewers choose you. Wow, congrats. Then next I go to our overview. This is my overview, guys. And then I go to my content. This is it. My content. And I want to put down what here publish content like this. Then I go to my audience. Monthly audience, I have 7.9. This is it. My popular with the new viewers. This is it, guys. Wow. This one here. No more. Then what the next one here? Maybe only this. Okay, thank you. This is my overview recap. And then where I go. What this one here? Why I got I went to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, guys. Annie PH Flags, and once again, good morning and thank you for watching this week that I shared to you. In more power, God bless us all, and bye bye, guys.